This isn't just a cruise ship. It's a floating city the size of a skyscraper heading to Asia in 2026. With record-breaking features, wild attractions, and a design inspired by Singapore, MSC World Asia is about to redefine cruising forever.
All right, let's dive straight into the top 10 reasons MSC World Asia 2026 is about to change cruising as we know it, countdown style. We're starting at number 10 and saving the absolute showstoppers for last.
Number 10. The 7 themed districts. This ship is divided into 7 completely different worlds: Family Aventura, Zen Area, Aqua Deck, the Terraces, Galleria, the Promenade, and the exclusive MSC Yacht Club. Each district has its own vibe, music, lighting, and activities, so you literally choose your own adventure every single day. Why is this taking over? Traditional cruise ships feel the same from bow to stern. MSC World Asia gives you 7 vacations in one, perfect for families who want thrills, couples who want romance, and solo travelers who want chill zones. Singapore families are gonna lose their minds over this.
Number 9. Sheer size and capacity. 215,863 gross tons, 1,093 feet long, 6,758 passengers, and over 2,100 crew. This is one of the biggest ships ever built by MSC, and it feels like a floating metropolis. Why does size matter here? Because it means more space per guest, shorter lines, and facilities you've never seen on a cruise ship before. While other ships cram you in, World Asia spreads you out, and that Singapore-inspired spaciousness is going to feel luxurious even at full capacity.
Number 8. LNG power and next-level sustainability. Powered by liquefied natural gas with shore power connectivity so it can plug in like an electric car when in port. Lower emissions, quieter engines, and a greener footprint than almost any megaship before it. Why is this taking over? Cruising has a reputation problem with the environment. MSC World Asia flips the script. It's proof that bigger can actually be greener. Asian ports like Singapore, which care deeply about sustainability, are going to welcome this ship with open arms.
Number 7. The World Promenade and Giant Dragon Sculpture. An open-air, multi-deck promenade wrapped around the ship with ocean views, bars, dining, and right in the center, a jaw-dropping 12-meter-long stainless steel dragon sculpture covered in 700 mirrors and 3,000 LED lights that lights up at night like a living piece of art. Why is this groundbreaking? It's not just decoration, it's cultural storytelling. The dragon celebrates Asia's heritage, while the promenade feels like a high-end night market floating at sea. Singaporeans will feel right at home. Number 6. The Spiral at Tree of Life, longest dry slide at sea. 267 feet long, twisting down 12 decks, inspired directly by the super trees at Singapore's Gardens by the Bay. You step in, scream the whole way down, and pop out with the biggest grin on the ship. Why is this taking over? No other cruise line has anything close to this level of thrill. It turns the ship into an amusement park and makes every sailing feel like a theme park vacation. Families from Singapore to Bangkok are already booking this as their next big trip.
Number 5. Pan-Asian Street Food Restaurant. A brand new specialty venue serving authentic flavors from Singapore, Thailand, Laos, South China, Vietnam, and Indonesia. Think fresh hawker-style dishes, on-the-go bites, a dedicated bar, and an outdoor terrace overlooking the sea. Why is this revolutionary? Cruise food is usually Western-heavy. This is the first time a megaship has gone all in on Southeast Asian street food at this scale. Singapore locals will recognize every spice. It's like bringing the best of home to the ocean.
Number 4. The Harbor, Asian-inspired outdoor family adventure zone. An entire outdoor park with a 50-meter cliffhanger over water swing ride, high ropes course, expanded aqua park, children's playground, and the Harbor Bar and Bites serving complimentary snacks. Why is this taking over? Most family areas on ships feel like an afterthought. The harbor is front and center, redesigned with Asian flair, and built for all-day play. Singapore parents have been waiting for a cruise that actually entertains kids this well.
Number 3. MSC Yacht Club, the ultimate luxury ship within a ship. Private decks, 24-hour butler service, the new Royal Duplex Suite that sleeps up to 6 with 2 bedrooms, owner suites with massive balconies, and exclusive restaurants, lounges, and pools. Why is this groundbreaking? Luxury cruising used to mean small ships. World Asia proves you can have megaship scale and ultra-exclusive privacy. High net worth travelers from Singapore and across Asia are going to treat the Yacht Club like their personal floating villa.
Number 2. Over 40 bars, lounges, and restaurants. 6 specialty restaurants, including Butcher's Cut Steakhouse, Kaito Sushi and Teppanyaki, Ola, Tacos, the new Pan-Asian spot, plus main dining rooms, buffets, a British pub with its own microbrewery, champagne bar, juice bar, coffee emporium, and more. Why is this taking over? You could sail for a week and never eat at the same place twice. The variety and quality are unmatched, and the Asian influences make it feel custom-built for this region.
And the number 1 reason MSC World Asia 2026 is taking over Singapore and beyond. Number 1. The perfect storm of innovation, culture, and scale. Everything we just covered, the size, the sustainability, the thrills, the food, the luxury, the Asian soul, comes together in one ship that feels tailor-made for the Asian market, even while starting in the Med. The design nods, the Singapore-inspired slide, the dragon, the street food, it's no accident. MSC built this ship knowing exactly who's sailing next. By the time it repositions toward Asia, and it will, Singapore will already be calling it their own.
So there you have it. MSC World Asia 2026 isn't just another cruise ship. It's the floating city that's about to take over Singapore and the entire Asian cruising scene with thrills, culture, luxury, and innovation like nothing we've seen before. Whether you're dreaming of a family adventure, a romantic getaway, or the ultimate luxury escape, this ship has something for everyone. Drop a comment below. Which feature excites you the most? The dragon sculpture, the dry slide, or the Pan-Asian food? Hit that like button if you'd sail on her. Subscribe for more megaship breakdowns and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big cruise reveal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Safe sailing.